Hi guys, I'm going to do a very quick recap on gold buys that I took on 25th, 25, whatever, at the London session. I'm going to go over trade and show you how guys what I was looking for. Let's go show you the screenshot of before and after. So this is was no, this was the after when my TP was hit. Let me go before I take the trade. So it's this price was already here up because he break that zone. I wanted to close as he closed like this. I wanted to press to come down to retest that zone before going up. As you can see, so this is screenshot, and yeah, I had TP1 at 64 pips, and full TP had full TP. I had full TP at 178, 76, but I got more than that. So let me explain you what I did. Yeah, and this was the after when I got into the trade and my TP was hit. Let's go over that trade very quick, very simple. So let me go and like this. Okay, so let's go back to daily, right? We have a daily zone here, which was this one here. Let's do this. We have a daily zone, right? We have a daily zone here, and price is above that zone. And we have, what do we have to the left? Clean traffic, right? So at this point, this huge bullish candle did not exist yet, right? So we had only this daily resistance that made in the 24th, right? So I put this resistance, I drop down this resistance like this, right? I go back to the lower time frame. Price was already all the way. This here did not exist yet, right? So I said, okay, price is here. It was all the way down here. I was looking for sales only if we break below here, and that would be like short sales, maybe to retest this zone here. This one, if we break and close below this zone, maybe we retest this. But my BS were bullish, definitely bullish. But the thing I was looking for to close above this zone here. All what you see in here to the left, because they were not we didn't have that zone yet. So this daily resistance was a fresh daily resistance. So I was looking at the 2-hour chart. We got a break up, right? And we had a close above. So what I said, I was waiting for the price. As we had that price close to our closing above, I waited for the price to come back again to retest this zone before going up. I waited for that. Price came down. As you can see, I got in just when we touched this zone here at 1880.71. That was my entry, right? And I had stops just below this 4-hour support at about 46 pips stop. And my full TP was at the weekly resistance, which is a monthly resistance here too. Was my full TP was this one here. Let's go back to the small time frame. Okay, so yeah, I put this like this, as you guys saw in the screenshot, and they had my TP1 was this one here. Okay, so let's go back to 2-hour candle. What happened? I secured 25 pips on this up here, right? And they put my stop at B. I wanted to go to sleep so bad because I was so tired. I said, okay, if I get stopped at B, runner is okay. If he keeps going, it's okay. And then I realized that 4-hour is was about to close, right? And as you can see, close this way, which means it's a good confirmation for to continue up. but I had in my mind to press it could come down to retest this zone again in the 4 hour, which I would be stopped. I said, no, I said, it's okay. I'm going to sleep. I don't care. So I went to sleep. When I was in my bed, I said, let me check my chart, see what happened. And I saw this 4 hour came down, stopped me at B, right? And when I came to the chart again, price was like this. And I said, okay, you know what? I'm going to give it a second chance. I'm going to put my stop uh, back where it was before here. The worst case scenario was going to lose that 25 pips on profit that I made in the first trade. So I entered again somewhere on the, let me do this. I entered again somewhere on here. If I catch this for our down here, I would take buys from bottom here. But when I looked at the chart, price was this way. So I said, okay, I'm gonna give it a chance. I put my stops all the way down here again, right? And yeah, and price just keep going up from that zone. Yeah, I came the 4 hour came down again, right? But my stop was at the first stop I had in my first entry. So that's how I got this move. Oh, where did it here? That's how I got this move. Was about 180 pips, but yeah, I keep going. At the end, I got 300 pips a plus because we had I had a runner. Once we got here, I left a runner. I got 300 pips plus. So yeah, that was my buys on gold. Yeah. So that's it, guys. I just wanted to do a quick recap on this gold buys. And yeah, my sells was only if we break and close below this zone here. And that will be maybe short-term sells, but my BS were buys. Or take care, guys. See you next time.